how to redeem PayPal gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your PayPal gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to redeem your PayPal gift card, all you have to do is first of all make sure to open up your browser and go to paypal.com, and then make sure that you sign into your account. And once you sign into your account, you're gonna see this type of interface where if you are not already logged in, by the way, you want to make sure to log in. Then right out when you're on the home page, you'll find an option that says link a card. So all you have to do is tap the link a card option here, and once you tap on link a card option over here, you should be able to see a list of other details, which is debit card or credit card, and you have to select your card type. Now most of your gift cards are basically Visa debit card by default, so if that is the thing that you want, you can go ahead and select that option. But if not, then you can select any of the other options here. Make sure to enter your gift card number as a normal card. You have to actually redeem it as a normal card. You have to add as a payment method. Tap on the link card option and your card will get successfully linked. This way you can go ahead and then basically actually redeem your PayPal gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.